Today, we're making a high-protein affogato. Ninja Creami vanilla ice cream, a real shot of espresso, 25 grams of protein. If you love dessert and trying to lose fat, this one's for you. And stick around to the end to see if this tastes like the real thing. We'll start with 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk. The almond milk makes up most of the volume, but for that true authentic ice cream flavor, we're adding in some heavy cream. And this is super high in calories, so we're not adding too much. We're going 6 tablespoons or 90 grams. And now for the vanilla flavor, I'm adding in some vanilla bean paste. Add that in. And now I'm gonna blend it up real quick using an immersion blender. We'll put this off to the side. And now in a bowl, we'll add our dry ingredients. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of this allulose and monk fruit. And now for a protein source, we're adding in 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder. Now to help the ice cream get a nice, thick, creamy texture, we're adding in some xanthan gum. All we need is 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now lastly, the boost of flavor, we're adding in a pinch of salt. I'm now gonna whisk all the dry ingredients together. And now I'm gonna pour a little bit of my wet into the dry. And now whisk this up. Now I got a nice thick slurry right here. Now all my ingredients are in here, and I'm gonna give this a quick blend with the immersion blender. We're gonna grab our pint and pour the liquid in. And note, this is a 24-ounce pint. We'll drop this in the freezer for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to make some affogato. First thing we gotta do is run our ice cream on the light ice cream setting in the Ninja Creami. While that was spinning, I prepared the espresso shot, and shout out to ATATIX for sending me this espresso machine. This compact 20-bar espresso machine heats up in just 30 seconds to deliver barista-quality espresso with rich crema. It features precision control, a powerful steam wand for silky microfoam, automatic single or double shots, and customizable manual brewing. It's an accessible, budget-friendly starter, the perfect low-risk gateway to master home barista skills without the hefty financial investment. Click the link in the description below to get yours. I'm gonna pull the ice cream out of the Creami, the espresso machine right here. Grab a cup. I got a chilled cup. I'm gonna take some scoops. So there, got 2 scoops of ice cream in the cup. Now we'll make our espresso shot. Got our shot of espresso right here. Now we're just gonna pour it right on top of our ice cream. There you go. Nice ice cream. Look at that texture. Let's give it a try. This tastes legit. The ice cream has that nice, rich vanilla taste. And the espresso is nice and strong. Look at that. This tastes like the real thing. This is legit. If you want to check out more high protein desserts, check out this video right here.